Mercy Hospital. You gotta go in there, take out the surveillance, subdue the civilians, and get me into the patient. Okay guys, remember, computer, blood sample, validation, and then get the hell out by the elevator. No, and I hope you brought something to take out the security cameras with. You'll have about 7 seconds to take out the cameras before the alarm goes off. You're looking for 3 cameras. I'll count down the time.
武器を取れ。
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, that takes care of the cameras. Don't let any of the hostages run off and trigger the alarm. Got it?
地べたにせとれ。静かにしとけ。二度と動
Move me up
く
to the
な。
reception computer so I can see where the doctors are keeping our target.
英雄気取りはやめとけよ。何もするな。息もするな。わしが動くようにしたってもええんやで。目線は下。一言も喋ったらあかん。後悔するで。人生最大最後の後悔や。静かにやで。全部見てるで。じっとしとれ。動いたら
Pick up the phone and let me do the
我が
talking.
すぐ閉めるで。すぐ終わる。こいつ
Mercy
を使
Hospital,
わせ
please
ん
hold.
といてくれや。
Okay, now
おと
how
な
can
し
I
く
help
しと
you?
ったらすぐ終わるわ。そのままやぞ。
Didn't we solve this already? There's a repairman coming to check the cameras.
一言も喋ったらあかん。ピクリともしたらあかん。
There's someone in the elevator.
I know
Keep a
you
lookout.
here.
Keep the elevator on watch, guys.
静かにやで。誰にも気配感じられてへんみたいや。二度と動くな。そこにおれ。動くなよ。いや静かにやで。こいつを使わせんといてくれや。災いのもとや。の言うことが分からへんのか。動くなよ。騒がへんかったらすぐ終わる。
Answer the phone and put me through.
いてまうぞ。次動いたら
Hi.
俺の言うことが分からへん
Yes,
のか。
what can I do for you?
何もするな。息もするな。騒がへんかったらすぐ終わる。そのままや
Yeah,
ぞ。
no problem. Not much happening here.
殺さへんわ。おとなしくしとったら
They
すぐ
sounded
終わる。
convinced. We're in the clear for now.
俺の言うことが分からへんのか。
That bought you some time. I've arranged a false pager for a first-year resident. But first you need to
誰
get
に
a
も
hold
気
of the
配
patient
感じら
file.
れてへんみたいや。頭を地面につけとかんかい。動くな。そこから
I've arranged a false pager for a first-year resident. But first you need to get a hold of the patient file. Pick up... Hello? Nurse Spain speaking. What do you need?
は災いのもとや。キョロキョロすんなよ。よっしゃ。そこにおれ。動く
Did
な。
we solve this already?
Okay.
Okay, that's the Peterson file. They got him isolated in the ICU and you gotta get to him. Time to play doctor, guys. They might be onto us, so don't take too long. Get some fake sentry guns up and running. It'll buy us some time and keep the people in place.
誰にも気配感じられてへんみたいや。動くな。騒がへんかったらそこにおれ。終わる。
Answer the phone and put me through.
動くなよ。動いたら我の
Mercy Hospital, what do you want? Yeah, the,
ピクリともしたら
monitor
あ
here
かん。
just
わ
broke.
しが動くように
Made a lot of
したって
noise.
もええんやで。
Scared an old lady, but the janitor took care of
す
her.
ぐ終わる。何もするな。息もするな。動いたらいてまうぞ。キョロキョロすんなや。目線は下。一言も喋ったら
Guys,
あ
you
かん。
got guards
目線は
coming.
下。
Take them out before they
一
find
言も
anything.
喋ったらあかんかい。死にたなんやったら賢ならんとな。死にたなんやったら賢ならんとな。辛抱せえよ。動いたら 我の首すぐ絞めるで。
This is 2-4.
You got to him in time, but someone's gonna notice him missing eventually. Work quickly. There you go. Nice work. Time for a change of threads. You're gonna need scrubs. Now get to the ICU. Find and listen to Dr. Schneider. The patient we're looking for should have a blood poisoning and an abnormal heart rate. Don't forget, stay in
I
character.
see you have your gloves on already. Great. First, let's look at Isolation B. This man was in a single car accident on the road to Riverside. While he isn't fully diagnosed yet, I am confident that he will be fully recovered shortly. His heart rate is stable. This man collapsed during his morning jog. We found traces of bufotoxin in his blood. He also has an elevated white blood cell count. He's in full SIRS. His resting heart rate is well below 30. This man was being treated for pulmonary emphysema when we discovered that this was not all he was suffering from. Whatever he is suffering from, it is definitely not the green flu. His resting heart rate is as high as 100 and rising steadily. If you need me, I'll be over there.
Mitsuketa! ほな始めようか。
Good. That's the security door stopped. See if our patient is inside. Great. That's the guy. Start getting blood samples. We've got to validate them before you leave. If that's the wrong room, we'll have to cut the other doors with a saw. We gotta get that blood sample. Our patient should have a tattoo on his neck. There are centrifuges all around there. Use them to start validating blood samples. We need a viral concentration of 65% or more.
動くなよ。
We're gonna need 2 vials. If one of them fails the test, you gotta get more blood and start again.
口は災いのもとや。
You might as well call the elevator. One more sample and you can get out of there. The cops just freed a civilian. You gotta focus on the civilians.
ドクターバッグ置いたで。
Damn thing keeps stopping. I gotta override the system. It'll be a while until it reaches you.
Got it.
目線はし。
Maybe
一言
2
も
minutes
喋ったらあ
if
かん
I。don't get interrupted.
Phaser. Took care of that phaser.
You got this. Crap, they're fast. Get the power back on. Great. Nicely done. Now keep moving. You'll be fine.
I'm no doctor, but this can't be good.
A professional doesn't need to kill those people, you know?
like this.
I'll patch you up.
地べたに動くな
Okay, good. Now, wait a second. Guys, they're talking about sending in air support. You gotta hurry. Get yourself together, man. This isn't right.
気抜くなまだ仕事が残っとるぞ
Kill the fuck!
Alright, they're pulling back.
Die, asshole! I'll pop their asses!
You just gave me a few more gray hairs. Now get back on your feet. You got work to do.
諦め騒いでからや目のせい遅れになってしまう
This just in. Another police assault wave coming in about 30 seconds. 20 seconds. These assholes are going down. Police assaulting 10. You, stop! Hey, you, stop! Watch the flanks. Brace yourselves. Get him! I had a contact hiding cooler in the elevator for us. Drop the vials in there. We're contracted for 2 samples, so get another one in there. Put 2 vials in the cooler so you can leave.
穴汚い手こっち見せ終わったな
Great, that's enough. Now get in the elevator. You gotta get the hell out of there.
止めたのか
Let's hope you're lucky here.
This is crazy. The hospital is surrounded. Looks like private military mercenaries. You gotta go. Now! Activate the elevator. Awesome. Now just sit tight for 34s. That's strange. Merc units are pulling out. What the hell? You're not gonna... Other air units in the area. They're trying to jam the comms. Wireless on the way, but you gotta be careful.
Son of a fuck!
Shit, guys! They got an aircraft launching rockets!
Motherfucker!
Guys? There, guys! Out! There goes another one. I can't.
We gotta open it.
Down
Get
the
out.
ramp and out.
Jump
Damn it, guys. You've been left for dead by Bile. He's gonna get it later.
まっすぐ
The ladder before the place comes crashing down.
もう一遍やるかなんなら今
Yeah, that didn't really go according to plan, did it?